Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
2 to 3 days. How long does it take for a cloudy pool to clear? Depending on how cloudy your water is, it may take 2 to 3 days for your water to clear. Just make sure you run your filter 24/7, keep your water chemistry balanced, and add the proper amount of water clarifier every other day until it's clear.
Let's help you make your mark.
Answer: you don't use baking soda to clear a cloudy pool water. Only chlorine should be used to clear a cloudy water. Baking soda will raise your pH, and high pH is dangerous since it can cause metal stains and also turns your water cloudy.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cloudy water is a drowning risk because it makes it more difficult to see swimmers who may be struggling or suspended under the water. Before you get into a pool, the CDC recommends that you check to see if the drain at the deep end of the pool is visible.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cloudy water is a drowning risk because it makes it more difficult to see swimmers who may be struggling or suspended under the water. If you can clearly see the drain at the bottom of the pool in the deepest area, it is safe to swim. If you can't, stay out of the water.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can you put too much shock in a pool? Skimmer notes: it's unlikely, but it could happen. It would take a lot of shock to really make the water unsafe for swimming. The best way to make sure you're safe to swim is to test your pool water and make sure free chlorine levels are between 1 to 4 ppm for healthy swimming.
Let's help you make your mark.
Algicide plus clarifier is a fast-acting algae treatment that kills and prevents common green algae while clarifies water for clear water. Shocking your pool and adding an algicide to the water are two ways to get rid of the sickly green color caused by algae growth, but you shouldn't do these things at the same time.
Let's help you make your mark.
Not to worry, this is normal and should resolve itself in a day or so as the chlorine level drops. Just keep your filter running in the meantime. If it doesn't clear up, either your filter system is compromised, the rest of your water chemistry is out of whack, or you're using some cheap-ass, low-grade shock.
Take our lead.
To cure cloudy pool water, superchlorination is usually the easiest fix. Be sure to test your pH levels after the hyperchlorination treatment, and slowly add baking soda to your pool water, if needed, to get to between 7.2 and 7.8. Higher pH levels can lead to cloudiness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.